Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenSwim Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is an iPhone 16e. So the first thing we got to do is put these headphones into pairing mode. So my headphones are currently off, and you have a minus and a plus button here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to press and hold this plus button. So I'm going to press and hold. Just wait a few seconds. So now what I want is I want it to blink blue, red, which would indicate that it's in pairing mode, but I just got a blue blinking. It's not doing no blue, red. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. Let me turn this off. I'm going to press and hold that plus sign for a few seconds. Okay, it just turned off. Now I'm going to press it. I'm going to keep holding and wait till it starts blinking blue, red. Okay, click on that plus sign again. Ready? Press and hold. Keep holding. Wait. There we go, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our iPhone. Go directly to your settings. Then you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on here. Now if I scroll down, I see that little spinny thing right there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is in Bluetooth range about 30 feet. And it's in pairing mode. It did find the OpenSwim Pros here. Let's tap on that. And voila, we're connected and ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had any kind of issue, you can't put it in pairing mode, you had issues connecting or pairing these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.